Hey there, stay tuned because we're going to go from this look to the full Dolly Parton glamour in less than 30 minutes.
This is my daughter Belin, just going to a Dolly Parton event. So she has to have hair like Dolly Parton. Well, as you can see, she has the most wonderful hair ever. She didn't get it from me, folks. We're not going to get rid of it, but we're going to pull it back so we can fix a wig this color that I can make big like Dolly Parton hair. So the first thing we're going to do is pull this hair back. And yeah, low pony.
Okay. So I've never put on a wig. I've never had the whole wig cap thing, nor have I ever had enough sense to get a large wig, which is what my mom recommended because this is a melon.
I recommended this color, which is Sweet Ice Cream by Raquel Welch. And it's the style Always. It's Always. I cut it and I flipped it. And it's so cute. By the way, I recommend Raquel Welch. And I recommend that style for a low-cost wig. If you want to mess with it, you're not going to be spending an arm and a leg. I'm going to use a wig grip. This is a nice wig grip. So tell me when it feels tight.
It feels tight.
So we're going to scoot it back.
Okay.
There we go. Okay, no extra charge for the facelift balloon. So here's this wig, which we got from Frannie's Hair. By the way, I recommend Frannie's Hair. Frannie's Hair doesn't know who I am, but it's just a basic cap, and it's size large because my daughter has a big head. Now, she tried it on before, and she's like, this hair ain't big. You leave it to me.
I mean, literally my hair is bigger than this hair.
Yeah, she has big hair. But we can make this wig big now.
Okay. By the way, we have less than an hour to transform me into Dolly Parton.
So that's all we need. So I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna do the magic. First, this has been in a box. You wig ladies, you know what we do, right? First thing, you're gonna wake up the fibers. Now, I'm gonna make this wig as big as possible. Sorry, honey, I gotta make your wig bigger. Frannie over at Frannie's Hair, she did a segment one day where she was fitting a lady with a really big head, and it's hard to find a wig that looks good on a really big head. Don't worry, you're not gonna be late. I'm the time police.
Now, I just looked at my clock. I only have about 30 minutes to look like Dolly Parton. So
Okay,
get the
we
show
might
on the
do
road.
this. We might do this in segment. Don't be bossing your mom around. Just doing this and getting the fibers. Well, I like so much volume. I don't store my wigs in a box. I hang them upside down. So I have hot rollers. I might stick some hot rollers in here and get more volume. This wig was about 150 maybe.
It's like 165 because, or 170 because if you have a big noggin, you have to get the large.
You have to get a bigger size. Oh my God.
Okay.
We're just gonna see what that did. Just shaking it and fluffing it up. Let me teach you how to put on a wig. You dive in it.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. I'm going in. She's going in, folks. She's going in.
Well, this is much better with the wig cap, I'll tell you.
Okay.
Hey guys, it's like
See, she's already getting
Right.
now. Here's the rule. You wig ladies know this, but my pretty baby girl don't. You pull the wig back about 4 fingers above the eyebrows. So just a little bit more back. And
oh, I could actually bring my hairline down with this puppy.
oh yeah. Now can you see that we're already looking more Dolly? See there? My
Back
baby
it
girl
down
was too
too fast.
fast. She needed her mama.
Oh,
She
I
needed
know.
her mama. Oh no, this is gonna
Mama's the best.
It's gonna be good.
It is feeling a lot bigger. When I first put it on, I was like, oh hells to the no. But then I thought, I'm gonna let my mother, the wig queen, figure this out.
I mean, is she looking more like
Hey.
Dolly? She's going to do her makeup, and then we're going to put this.
Okay.
I don't think we're going to need the hot rollers because you look so Dolly already.
I need makeup. I cannot believe I'm online with no makeup. Send help. My mama taught me better than this.
You know that Dolly does not wear her hair so big anymore.
Well, I'm going for the old Dolly,
Yeah.
the more classic. But it's good to saving us a step then if you don't have to hot roll it.
I brought a rattan comb because I'm sure this baby girl don't have no rattan comb.
I have a rattan comb. I don't have to use it that much because I just use little clips to put my hair up. Like if I want a little poof, I'll just do that.
Yeah, but she's got a lot of volume. When Belin goes to the beauty salon, first of all, she better bring her wallet and a few credit cards because
Yeah.
it costs so much. They charge by the hair.
They always get in there and then they're like, mm-mm. Whenever they get into the mid back of my hair, they're like, we're going to have to charge you more. I'm not complaining.
Look at this. Look at these curls. She's going to be the best Dolly.
I got invited to be part of the Dolly Parton Krewe in New Orleans. And so this is my first event that I'm going to. I've never dressed up as Dolly Parton before, but I knew who to ask. My mom, as far as the whole wig situation going on. And she even brought me a dress.
It's
So,
a slut dress.
yes, it's a slut dress. I don't own enough slut dresses apparently. So, and not to this caliber of sparkle. It's Dolly Parton. Dolly Parton says she got her style inspiration from the town slut.
That's right,
Her,
she did.
her mom, she'd say, oh, that lady looks so beautiful. And they say, oh, no, she's trash. And she's like, Dolly
I like
says,
it.
I like the way she looks.
You know, something people might not know, Dolly is actually really funny. She tells a joke so well. I've seen her on talk show telling jokes. Honey, you are looking OMG. Just a little bit more work and makeup, and she's Dolly. Now, this chair swivels, right? Spin slowly. Look at that. Look at that. OMG. OMG all the way around. Slow. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Honey, I don't think we need to do much.
Working 9 to 5. What a way to make a live. I need to catch up on my lyrics.
She's gonna do her makeup, and she might even do the whole thing. I thought she might need a pair of flashy earrings
Love it.
to go with this.
You know what I can do is I can bring my makeup up here.
While she's gone to get her makeup, I'm gonna try on this wig, right? Because I bought this wig, but I thought, you know what? That is too much hair for me. But I didn't think of making it Dolly Parton. I like Dolly Parton style. Hold on. Hold on. It's just so much hair. Right? Working 9 to 5. What a way to make a living. Da 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 da. Dolly Parton. Dolly Parton. This is going to be the best Dolly wig there. You watch. I actually wish Dolly Parton would make a line of wigs. I'd buy them. I like all the TV shows she's in. See, I would pull it back just a little. Dolly. Dolly, Dolly. And I might darken the roots just a little for me to wear it. I might buy another one of these. I like this color. I'm going to spin so you can see how the back looks on me. There we go. Then I'm going to spin the other way. And all I did, folks, was shake this wig upside down and use a little back comb, get my fingers in there, and that's it. That is it. I like this wig. I think my husband would like this because he likes big hair. Thank goodness. So this is what you can do with Always by Raquel Welch. If you wanted it smoother, you could do that, but I vote no on smooth hair. That's just me. I guess Andy's wig says she's a child of the 80s. Well, I'm a child of the 70s, maybe the 60s. And I like the big hair look. Yes, I am looking like Dolly. I'm just going to have fun. I might make it a little bigger. So if I wanted to make it even bigger, just a little rattan comb, honey. You know what I like about getting a wig that you don't spend a fortune on? You're not afraid to mess with it. I'm just going to shout out for Frannie's hair again. Frannie does not know I'm shouting out for her. She doesn't even know who I am, except she might be noticing I'm ordering lots of wigs. To me, she has the best prices. Now, Best Wig Outlet has good prices, but you can't get it in any color, only the color they happen to have. See there, I made it a little bigger. Bigger, bigger. It'll get as big as you want. Anyway, this is fun. Yeah, I don't even need the hot rollers. And we have some wig hairspray. It's not really wig hairspray, but according to my friend Cindy, It's the alcohol hairspray that dries out the wig. If you use a non-alcohol hairspray, it will stay. And after we get this just so-so, I'm going to spray it a little bit so that all she has to do is shake it a little bit and put it on. So I'm going to give the chair back to my daughter.
Do you feel closer to Jesus?
I am very close to Jesus now.
I have about 5 minutes to do Dolly makeup. I put a setting spray on my sponge base all over my face. Okay. One of the reasons why I'm putting the setting spray is because I know it will help my makeup stay on longer. After what I have to do is I have to go to the gym and work out. That's why I'm wearing workout clothes. Okay. But when your mom wants to do a video of a wig unboxing and it's for your Dolly Parton event, you say, yes ma'am. Then I'm going to put a light concealer under my eyes. Okay. And then I literally put an L on my lighter version, and I put a D on my darker version. Make this blonde proof, baby. So then I put little dots in the areas that I have wobbles. And I take another sponge. I have really just 3 sponges. I have one for base, one for blush and bronzer, and then a little bitty baby one for my concealer. Which really, this is the best for underneath the eyes. Just want to make sure I have a nice, clean palette to work with. Because the lighting in here is not the best. Oh wow, I'm missing spots. Hello, Mother.
Hello, darling.
Hello, Clarice. Okay, so now I'm getting a little bit of bronzer. Okay, so then I'm going to pop the powder, just setting powder. I'm going to do eyebrows. So now I'm putting a very light cream color all over my lids. And I'm going to put a little bit of shadow underneath my eyes. And she's all about that cut crease. So, and what I mean by that is this line going right there. She creates one, but she does have her own as well. I happen to have very hooded eyes. So I created a line like this. She's all about that cut crease. I'll put a little lip gloss real quick. Okay.
Luckily, your lips are big.
Dolly Parton needs eyeliner, and she needs it in a nice wing. So I took this soft gray back in her day. All right. Now, I am a little wild there with my line, but I'm going to blend it a bit. I'm going to take a soft mauve brown and just blend that in a little bit. Okay, and do the same thing with the other side. Now, if I had more time, I'd be going more wild, darling, but I don't. Oh crap, I have to get the little, she has a beauty mark on her chin. So, okay, I'm gonna go all out and get the beauty mark. Let's just put it right here. Why not? Okay, so now I'm gonna get dressed.
Okay, while she's getting dressed, I put this wig back on. Same wig, always. It's just straighter hair. Now, I could make this really big if I wanted it, but I like this for every day. Actually, I wear this dancing. I wear this wig a lot. I like it. And I have it in a couple of colors. I think I have shaded wheat, but I like this better. You can do anything with this wig. I might get another one and cut it in a bob in the back, because for my size, it's about $150 at this filming at Frannie's Hair. So I recommend Frannie's Hair. I think she should send me some wigs to review. What do you think? While I'm talking to you, Lynn is putting on
the slutty dress.
Hi. And yes, I am
Here, let's
Patty.
move this.
Hi. Hi, darling. Oh, I still haven't got my hair back. Well, I'd really like to sing you guys a song.
We're
Oh,
gonna
darling,
darling,
yes.
We're gonna
What do you
sing.
want to sing? What do you want to hear, darling?
I'll always love you.
So, goodbye. Please don't cry. We both know I can't sing, but that's okay. I'm an impersonator. Okay, so what do we think?
I think
Working
she's
9
got-
to 5. What a way to make a
You
man.
can got the vibrato.
Well, I need to practice. I need
Yeah.
to practice my Dolly. I already am Southern, but she's got a certain little twang.
She
Anyways,
does.
what do we think, guys?
Spin around, let her do the whole thing.
Hold on. Is this Dolly enough?
Pretty dolly.
What do we think? How can we make it even more Dolly? Now remember, this is like, I think it's like a 30-minute transformation here. So, let her see the back.
Oh my.
Now, I still have my braid in, so.
Yeah.
I guess I can tuck that.
I know. Yeah. You
I
just
haven't,
tuck it
I
up
haven't
and leave it
gone full blown yet, but
alone. Yeah.
let's see my Dolly walk. I need to try to work on my Dolly walk. But anyways, the hair makes me feel very Dolly. Thanks, Mom.
Okay. So here we are, mother and daughter. Come here, daughter. Aww. And if you're not subscribed, you need to subscribe because we're planning on having a lot more fun around here. And
You can listen to us squabble and play. Look at this play with hair.
we do love to play with hair.
Who else should we be?
Ah,
Tina Turner? Who else?
I love Tina Turner hair.
I
Now.
don't need another hero.
Okay. I have created something here.
Yeah. Well, anyways, we'll take. You want to leave a comment if they want you to make?
Oh yeah, leave a comment. First of all, what do you think about this transformation? Give some compliments to my baby girl right here, okay?
Oh, thank you.
I have 3 daughters, but she's the only one that would do
That
this.
would play with you. Oh,
Yeah.
I think they would. It'd just be a different vibe. But hey, let's. I would like to be Jolene.
Jolene.
Yeah, the red hair. It's a whole different vibe.
Subscribe, Rebecca at Wig Fun and Belin Dolly Parton here. We'll be back soon with something even more fun. Yay!